Welcome to our exploration of content analysis in psychology. Content analysis is a systematic research method used to interpret and quantify the meaning of textual, visual, or audio material. In psychology, it helps researchers uncover patterns, themes, and insights from various forms of communication, such as interviews, articles, or social media posts. By transforming qualitative data into quantitative results, content analysis bridges the gap between subjective interpretation and objective measurement. Today, we'll walk through its history, core concepts, practical applications, and the steps involved in conducting content analysis. Let's begin by understanding why this method is so valuable in psychological research. Content analysis has a rich history dating back to the early 20th century. Initially, it was used to analyze newspaper articles and propaganda, but soon found its place in psychology. Researchers realized its potential for examining communication patterns, attitudes, and social phenomena. Over time, content analysis evolved, incorporating both manual and computerized techniques. Today, it's widely used to study everything from therapy transcripts to online forums. Its adaptability and rigor make it a cornerstone in psychological research, enabling scholars to systematically explore the complexities of human communication. At its heart, content analysis involves coding and categorizing material to identify recurring themes or patterns. Researchers develop coding schemes, which are sets of rules for classifying content. These schemes can be deductive, based on existing theories, or inductive, emerging from the data itself. The process requires careful attention to reliability and validity, ensuring that findings are consistent and meaningful. By breaking down complex communication into manageable units, content analysis allows psychologists to draw conclusions about attitudes, emotions, and behaviors reflected in the material. There are two main types of content analysis: quantitative and qualitative. Quantitative content analysis focuses on counting the frequency of specific words, phrases, or concepts, providing statistical insights. Qualitative content analysis, on the other hand, delves deeper into the meaning and context, exploring underlying themes and interpretations. Both approaches can be combined for a richer understanding. In psychology, researchers often use qualitative analysis to interpret emotional tone, while quantitative methods help track trends or compare groups. Choosing the right approach depends on the research question and the nature of the material. Conducting content analysis involves several key steps. First, researchers select the material to be analyzed, such as interview transcripts or articles. Next, they define categories and coding rules, ensuring clarity and consistency. The material is then coded, either manually or with software, and the results are analyzed for patterns and themes. Finally, findings are interpreted and reported, often with visual aids like charts or tables. Each step requires attention to detail and methodological rigor, making content analysis a reliable tool for psychological research. Content analysis is used in various psychological fields. It helps researchers study therapy sessions, analyze patient narratives, and examine media representations of mental health. For example, psychologists might analyze social media posts to understand public attitudes toward depression or anxiety. In clinical settings, content analysis can reveal patterns in patient communication, aiding diagnosis and treatment planning. Its versatility makes it invaluable for exploring both individual and societal perspectives, providing insights that inform practice and policy. While content analysis offers many benefits, it also presents challenges. Coding can be time-consuming, and ensuring reliability between coders is crucial. Ambiguity in language or context may lead to misinterpretation. Additionally, content analysis relies on the quality and representativeness of the material analyzed. Researchers must be cautious about drawing conclusions, especially when working with limited or biased samples. Despite these limitations, careful planning and methodological rigor can help overcome most obstacles, ensuring meaningful and trustworthy results. Modern technology has revolutionized content analysis. Software tools now automate coding, making the process faster and more accurate. Machine learning and artificial intelligence can identify complex patterns and sentiments in large datasets. These advances allow psychologists to analyze massive amounts of data, such as online forums or social media, with unprecedented efficiency. However, technology also introduces new challenges, such as ensuring ethical use and maintaining data privacy. As tools evolve, content analysis continues to expand its reach in psychological research. Content analysis remains a powerful method in psychology, offering unique insights into human communication and behavior. As research questions become more complex and data sources more diverse, content analysis adapts and grows. Future directions include integrating more advanced technologies, expanding to new media forms, and refining coding schemes for greater accuracy. By combining traditional rigor with innovative tools, psychologists can continue to unlock the secrets hidden within content, shaping our understanding of the mind and society.